Montpellier, France, and Goodyear unveils its revolutionary OptiGrip tyre. New SmartWear technology means that as the tread of the tyre wears down, a new compound and new grooves appear.
After the development of models in the tire engineering group, we started to get the first prototypes, and from there on, after some basic testing in the laboratory, the tires were transferred on vehicles for performance testing, such as comfort, noise, wet braking, all the wet performances. And finally, after the tires was tuned, it was also tested for tread wear.
The first layer of the two specially combined compounds features a 3D interlocking design. And the stable centre means better pressure distribution and improved handling stability.
We have two different compounds, the top compound which is there to give the high performance of the new tire and also the very good mileage, and we have progressively exposed a second compound which gives the excellent grip that we have for the worn tire.
The dual-layered OptiGrip tyre ensures high levels of control in both wet and dry conditions, even when the tyre wears down. Independent tests compared the OptiGrip to other leading competitors, and the exceptional wet braking and handling, even after 18,000 miles, were confirmed.
We have a basic list of test parameters for development of any new line, but in this particular case we put a lot of emphasis on the wet characteristics, and a lot of additional testing was done on aquaplaning, on wet braking, not only with new tires but also with partly or even worn tires.
First of all, the performance of this new tire is already very good, and more especially in wet condition and aquaplaning. But really, which is very specific to this tire is the evolution of the performance. The drop is much smaller than for any other tire on the market, for a very good mileage as well, because the point was not to increase the mileage and have the same drop, but we wanted a very good mileage and a reduction of the drop of performance, ensuring the safety through the whole life of the tire.
Figures show that after 18,000 miles, the Goodyear OptiGrip tyres stopped over a shorter distance than their competitors, 20% to be exact, gave 6% better resistance to aquaplaning, and were rated as providing twice as much control in the wet.